visual search helps in 1. Finding a product that matches the one the customer found online, and 2. Putting visually similar products all in one place. To start off, go to your back-end homepage. Log in with your username and password. In the top center of the screen, you'll see a search bar. On the right-hand side of the search bar, click on the camera image. If there's no camera image in your search bar, please talk with your account manager to determine what needs to be done in order to enable this tool. A box will pop up entitled Image Match. You can either enter in the image URL, the link or web address, or upload an image from your computer. Here are a few tips. Make sure the image is only of the product, nothing else. Preferably it will have a white background. The URL needs to link to a web page that only has the image on it, no text. However, it can be easy to get around this by taking a screenshot of your product and uploading the file. To take a screenshot on a PC, use the snipping tool. Start, All Programs, Windows Accessories, Snipping tool. On a Mac, press Command-Shift-4. You can also right-click on an image and open it in a new tab. If someone brings a paper photo in, you can scan it or take a picture of it and save it to your computer. At this point, just upload it to the site. Once the image is selected, you'll come to this page. There are a few tools on this page you should know about. Change image. Click here to select a different image file or URL. Find similar. This is your search button. Click here when you're ready to find products that look like your image. Restrict category. This is a drop-down menu for you to fine-tune your search by choosing specific categories you're looking for. Select tool. Use this to drag and select only part of the fixture. Do you like the glass shade but not the metal arm? Just drag over the glass shade and it will search for similar shades. Rotate. Rotate the image until it's hanging the right way. When you're ready to search, click Find Similar. Be aware that the system may not find a perfect match. It will, however, pull up the closest matches available from your store.